So this is me, Mr. NRI mechanic. I'm in Qatar. So today I'm going to show you how to install piston of TVS striker. So let's see. Okay, this is the TVS striker. I already opened the piston head, cylinder and gasket or everything. Then this is the new piston block. So I'm going to install this one. And this one is old one, so this one I already removed. So there inside too much problem, so it was giving too much smoke, so I'm going to replace this one. And how to install and how to set the ring, everything I will show you in this video. Okay, this one is piston. So these all are ring. And this rings gap no need to be at the same place. Okay, this ring gap need to be in like cross pattern like this. This one is exhaust, this one is inlet, which is come from the carburetor. It's called inlet. And which is go this side is silencer side, it calls exhaust. Okay, so we need to set like this gap. This one is gap here, ring. Okay, this gap need to be this side, and this gap need to be this side, and we can put it inside the block like this. So now I am opening this magnet. So by using this tools. Okay, okay, now I already opened, so I will remove from this chamber this one. Okay, this is a magnet side. This one is cam chain, so I already remove. I'm going to replace new cam chain also. Okay, so I'm going to show you how piston connecting works. When start the engine, at the same time this connecting play like this. Then there will be one magnet coil, this one. Then this magnet coil will generate the current, alternative current. Then that alternative current will goes from here. Then battery will be charged. Then your light, everything works. Okay, every system, electric system will be work like that. This one is magnet coil. Here is my assistant. He's working work of the valve. So he's testing the grinding and testing a valve. So we are going to replace the new valve. Okay, finally bike is ready. Now he's going to duty. Everything is okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share, like. Thank you.